What's up, Maya? What's up, Maya? What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Mi 9, and I am shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second. That's right, because I know a lot of folks were saying that the 1080p 60 frames per second wasn't that smooth, that the stabilization wasn't that good. So let me know what you guys think of the audio here, how stable this video is for you. I know the focus is on point when it comes to this camera, so you got no issues there. The only issue was the stabilization. A lot of people were wondering they should buy this phone because the video cameras may not be that good, but here is a test of the 1080p 30 frames per second. So if you want something to be a little more stable, maybe this is something you use. You use the 1080p 30 frames per second instead of the 1080p 60 frames per second. If you're a video snob and you got to have the 60 frames per second, I totally understand. I totally understand. It is what it is, but this is 1080p 30 frames per second. Let's do a little zoom in on the coconuts here so you guys can see the quality. It's pretty good zoom. So do a little pan for you guys so you guys can get the smooth pan here, see how it picks up the video. But yeah, man, if you got this phone and you want some smooth video, I would suggest doing the 1080p 30 frames per second, or if you want to do 4K, then do 4K 30 frames per second. I have some links to the 4K videos, both in 30 and 60. If you guys want to check out examples of that, you guys can check that out on the channel. But this is the 1080p 30 frames per second, and it is, to me, looks pretty good. Let's do another zoom in on little buddy. She's hyper. She's looking for squirrels right now. Look at her. She's cool, man. She's cool. But that's going to do it, man. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud. Also on Instagram. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this 1080p 30 frames per second.